follow my simple tricks, you too can look like a clown. Any good clown needs to start off with some Victorian face paint. It's glooby. See, it got gloob. It's glooby. You just kind of... All you have to do now is make it look a little different. All you gotta do now is make it look different. Now the way you're gonna want to do this is grab your color of choice. I'm choosing red. And I'm adding some fun details. Isn't that so awesome? That's usually the final detail, but I'm just skipping to the fun part now. I also have a green that I don't use very often. Oh, it matches the background. That looks great. What an awesome look so far. I think that looks awesome. It's time to add the outline. If you want more, thanks for watching this clown makeup tutorial. If you want more, make sure to comment, I want more clowns. If you comment, I want more clowns in the comments, then I want more clowns will be tallied until we make more clowns.